Alright, I got a forward escape here, and anybody want to reset that security alarm on the driver's side door, go into the car, pop off these little guys to get the bottom of this panel open. Then in the previous videos, everybody's getting their video cameras and leaning up underneath this thing. Basically all you need to do is get your camera, your phone, go underneath it, stick it up as far as you can underneath here, and then take your photo. You may have to lean under it to initially get in there. Stick it up as far as you can, and then take your photo. And here's the image. Very easy. No need to get under there, eyeball it, video camera it, just take a picture. You may have to take a few of them. I got this one on the first shot. I did get the side, the white squares near this area on one initial time, but after that point it was easy. Just got it the first try, and I've edited this so you can't see the actual security code. We're resetting your security alarm for the forward escape. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a little faster.